other thing that I really want to talk about is on this last page is what's called a confounding variable. This happens a lot. When you're performing an experiment or you're trying to figure something out, it's very easy to accidentally have confounding variables. So it's hard where the experimenter can't tell what actually is causing changes. So, for example, an instructor starts handing out lecture notes to his class and finds out that his grades improved by 20 points from the previous semester. Okay, that's great. It'd be easy for the instructor to assume that it's his lecture notes. But here's the problem. A lot of people don't just make one change at a time. What if he also added quizzes and homework and all sorts of things? What else did he add? So there's a question is, what else did he have? So what else did he add? Another question is, was he teaching a different grade level? If it was high school, let's say, maybe he was teaching a grade level. So maybe different type of students. All sorts of issues. So when you kind of look at things, it may seem like it's obvious as to what's happening and what's actually, causing things to happen, but not necessarily. That's what confounding variables are. Variables that confound or kind of confuse the situation. What other things could it be changing that could also be affecting this, that could also be causing, in this case, his grades to improve. Like I said, there's different ways to kind of do experiments. You can look them up, match pairs design, all sorts of things, and different types of sampling errors. We're not going to go into that in detail.